What's up, guys? It's your boy the Rogue Vet coming back at you with another video today. We're gonna go to a car meet tonight. It's Friday. I'm gonna check it out, see how it goes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head into the action. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my stuff. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Appreciate all the help you can get, but let's go ahead, get right there. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head to the meet. We got Frank's CTSV right here. Challenger, Camaro, nice Camaro, SS. That's pretty clean. I like the wheels on that. It's nice. That's our T8 Challenger. .392 Charger. Another Charger. It's gonna show us the goods.
I cleaned it a little bit.
It's going on YouTube. Tyler's 5.0 Forest FRCF or RCF. It's a pretty cool wrap Mustang. I've seen this one around.
Oh yeah.
That one's mine. Yeah, go ahead. Take as many as you want. Oh, the Hyundai.
No, because it's a. I think it's 60K. I think. All of it better. Yeah. The 2.0 is special.
Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the little car meet there and everyone pulling out. They made some noise and I hope y'all enjoyed it. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna head home, rest. I think it was a good meet, but until the next one guys, hope y'all all have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all did like the video. More will be coming out later. But let's go ahead, let y'all go. This is Rovette out. Peace.